Hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Ruin. So guys, in this video I will show you iPhone struck on Apple logo screen. Lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reporting to while updating my iPhone that time Apple logo struck on my iPhone screen. Now iPhone users question is what to do for the fixing this issue on my iPhone and iPad. Before the starting this video, so guys please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Now first of all I will show you solutions for the iPhone 6s and also iPhone SE first generation users. Now the solution is force restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys, what to do? Now first of all press and hold both power on off button and also home button at the same times. When the Apple logo appear on your iPhone screen, then release the both button and easy to restart your iPhone and iPad. Now second one, solutions for the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus users. Now first of all press and hold power on off button and also volume down button at the same times. When Apple logo appear on your iPhone screen, then release the both buttons on your iPhone. And easy to restart your iPhone and iPad. Now third one, solutions for the iPhone X series, 11 series, 12 series and 13 series users. Now first of all press the volume up button and also press and hold the volume down button and also power on off button at the same times. When Apple logo appear on your iPhone screen, release the both button and easy to fix your problem. So guys, this way too you can easily iPhone struck on the Apple logo screen in your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.